Hello travellers, this is a review of the Outlier Injected Linen Pants. The pants are so named because of a process of blending or injecting super light polyester strands around the linen fabric core. The result is a fabric that has all the light, cool and breathable properties of linen and the extra strength and durability from polyester. The injected linen material is a 59% linen and 41% polyester mix that is woven in Japan. The material is quite interesting and very slubby, which is a term to describe the little black spots on the fabric that look like pilling, but it's not actually pilling, it's just the way the fabric is. It feels very nice in the hand and is firm yet soft to the touch. The color I have here is GD Phantom, which is a kind of dark grey. It does change depending on the lighting. It also has a slight pinstripe pattern if you look at it closely. Due to the linen and polyester mix, the pants dry very quickly after washing, about 2 hours or less, depending on the conditions. Linen is usually known for being very easy to crease, and it often looks wrinkled. However, Outlier says that due to the polyester content, it doesn't crease like regular linen, and instead has more of a wavy look. To me, they did have somewhat of a wavy look, but that's just a part of the charm of linen pants. These pants are advertised as the perfect pants for summer due to the exceptional breathability of linen. In my testing, I wore them in some days that topped 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius, and it felt like I was wearing nothing less than a pair of shorts. The wind really does blow gently right through the fabric. It does feel a lot like wearing the Ramulus t-shirt, but on your legs. I would definitely recommend these for summer wear. They probably wouldn't be very good in the winter because they don't thermally insulate in the same way as merino wool. The fit of these pants right out of the box was absolutely perfect for me. I have the size 30 here, which is also the same size that I wear in the slim dungarees. The waist measurement on my size 30 is 16.5 inches across and is perfect for my waist, which is about 32 inches around. I didn't even need to wear a belt with these pants. The inseam is also really perfect for me too. It comes with a 32.25 inch inseam, but it can be let out an extra 1 inch in length if you need it. The cost is fairly high at $198 US or 275 Australian, but for a pair of high quality linen pants that you can wear day in, day out all through the summer, I would say that they can be worth it, especially if you really like the linen look and feel. And I really think you need to try these pants to know how good they feel in the summer. It's almost better than wearing shorts. You really need to try it to feel it. Overall, really nice and well-made pair of high-quality linen pants. The price is on the higher end, but if you like linen pants and live in a hot, humid area or are going to be using them a lot, then they more than make up for the price in terms of quality and use. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what you think about these pants, if you've tried a similar pair or what pair you'd recommend for people traveling or for hot weather. And be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.